Hi. So my name is Prashant. I am from CSR team. We are going to see now rover challenge. Okay. So they are going to perform and they have designed each rover according in different methods, and they are going to showcase their prototypes whatever they have done, and we will select one team as winners, and we will give them the prize accordingly.
Myself, I am a Phoenix student in the same organization, Chef Foundation, with all the children from almost 14 years. Thank you so much, MouriTech team, for being a backbone to this main CSR project.
So thanks everyone for joining us. We thought it's a great opportunity for us to collaborate with them.
Thanks for coming over here and then presenting us with all your nice ideas and the kind of robots that you have prepared with all your heart and soul and efforts you have put into that. It's really commendable.
Thank you everyone, thank you team. It's really huge work behind the scene, right? And when I see this now, the project coming, the level 1 coming to an end, and the way they are showcasing the project, the way they are interacting with us, it really means a lot to us.